Welcome back to ACM Shorts. Today's topic, producing RainBloc Certified Concrete Masonry Units. When we say certified, we're talking about CMU that meets ACM C90 for load-bearing units and passes the spray bar water repellency test, as guided by CMHA Tech Note 1907. Now, here's the good news. Producing RainBloc CMU is very similar to making your regular non-water repellent units. The key difference? It's all in the raw materials, where we add ACM's RainBloc 80, our integral water repellent admixture, right into the mix. But here's the real trick, consistency. It's great when your test units pass certification, but how do you make sure every batch you produce throughout the year performs just as well? Our most consistent producers follow a few key practices, 4 to be exact. 1. Adjusted mix or batching sequence. Pre-wetting the aggregates. Increasing compaction time, and slightly increasing the cement loading. Let's start with the mix sequence, probably the most common and effective adjustment. Here's how it works. Start with your aggregates and put most of the water up front. Then add in your pigment, add in your cementitious materials, and finally, the RB80 admixture along with the remaining water. Why? Because we want the admixture to blend into the wet mix, not on dry material. Adding it last helps disperse evenly and become blended with a homogeneous mix. Next up, pre-wetting your aggregates. This is especially important for lightweight aggregates. It prevents them from absorbing the admixture or stealing water from the cement hydration process. You can pre-wet in the mixer and even at the stockpiles. Think of it as quenching the thirst of your aggregates before they go to work. Tip number 3, increase your compaction time. RainBloc CMU is a premium product designed to repel moisture. That means you want to narrow the opportunity for moisture to travel into the unit. Successful producers typically see great results with finish times between 1.75 and 2.5 seconds. A bit longer than your traditional gray CMU, but the payoff is a tighter, higher quality unit. And finally, increase cement loading. It's common to raise your cementitious content by a few percent. That tighter matrix helps reduce voids and limits moisture ingress, basically giving your CMU a little extra armor. By following these best practices and regularly verifying your water repellency in-house, you'll be producing consistent, high-quality RainBloc CMU all year long. And if you'd like to take things up a notch, reach out to your local ACM technical services rep to get your very own spray bar setup. That way, you can test, confirm, and be confident with your product. That's it for this ACM short. Thanks for watching, and keep producing with confidence.